How do I track my prepaid UPS package return?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to talk about how to track your prepaid UPS package return. This is especially important when you want to ensure your package is safely on its way back to the sender. Knowing how to track your package provides peace of mind and can help resolve any issues that might arise during the return process.
What do I need to start tracking?
The first thing you'll need is the tracking number for your package. When you're preparing to send a return via UPS, you'll typically receive a prepaid label. This label should have a tracking number, usually consisting of both letters and numbers. Make sure to keep a record of this tracking number.
How do I use the tracking number?
Once you have your tracking number, you can use it to track your package. To do this, you'll need to visit the UPS website. There, you'll find a section labeled Track a Package. Enter your tracking number into the space provided, and then click on the Track button. This will bring up the current status of your package, showing you exactly where it is in the delivery process.
What information will I receive?
When tracking your package, you'll receive a variety of information. The most important piece of information is the current status of your package. This can tell you whether your package has been received by UPS, is in transit, or has been delivered back to the sender. You can also see the estimated delivery date, which lets you know when your package is expected to reach its destination.
What if I have problems or questions?
If you encounter any issues while tracking your package, or if you have additional questions, don't hesitate to contact UPS customer service. They can provide further assistance and answer any questions you might have about your package's status. That's it. Now you know how to track your prepaid UPS package return. We hope this information has been helpful and gives you some extra peace of mind during the return process. Always remember to keep your tracking number safe, and don't hesitate to reach out to UPS if you need any further assistance. Happy tracking!